Alright, so we are just out on one of our properties. We're kind of annoyed, hugely annoyed. We're just at an area where we have a 200-foot shaft and we have an old mine dump, and we were completing a sampling program on it, but we halted and now we're back to complete it. Unfortunately, we have some disrespectful loggers. You can see this whole area used to be our mine dump. Over here, you can see some oxidized rock, but I'll go and show everyone this mine. This whole area was forest. I'll put a picture of the before and the after. Anyway, here's our mine shaft. No longer a mine shaft, it's filled up. This whole area has been taken out. So it's going to be pretty hard to complete our sampling program. So we're pretty disappointed in that. The one good thing about this is they may have exposed new outcrop and some new minerals. So hopefully we find something, and we'll keep looking. Alright, so we got it taped off, at least our mine. We put up a sign. There's a 600-foot deep mine shaft right there. We don't want anyone falling in, but we also don't want anyone backfilling it. So hopefully that does the trick. If not, then we'll have to talk to someone about this. And we'll see if we can find at least any of the remnants of our mine dump here. Which I don't know how good that's going to go over. So that was the side of the mine dump there, and it went all the way around here over to there and continued on the other side of me as well. So this had good gold, silver, and copper in the samples that we found in the mine dump. There's some zinc and some lead in there as well. So we'll see if we can find anything, but not sure if we will be able to. Okay, so we're going to check out the other shaft on the property. This one is about 140 meters deep. This had a silver ore, and this actually had a nice anomaly when they did an airborne survey over here. So maybe we can find something at least, seeing as how everything's exposed. But for whatever reason, I don't know why they didn't pursue the anomaly, but who knows? Alright, and here are the remnants of the old miner's cabin, which was on this property. So they took that down as well. So we're at the other mine shaft here. You can see the old dump has been turned up pretty good, what's left of it. The rest has either been taken away for building their roads or who knows what. There's the old mine shaft. Way to leave it in a safe condition. Almost fell in it. Alright, so while everything's overturned, I just thought I'd show a few samples of this ore. So you can see you got some chalcopyrite in there. More in there. So those are just a few samples that we've pulled from around here. A lot of this area has been covered in all this overburden. This whole area was once the mine dump. Looks like they've taken out a huge section here. So I guess it is what it is. We'll see what we can find. There is a few portions of bedrock that I've seen exposed, so we'll see if there's anything on there. And then we'll go from here. Alright, so we're at the next location. Here we had a bedrock exposure of several solid veins of mineral. And it continued all the way over to that tree line. I mean, this isn't a huge deal. That can be cleared. However, it does take time as well as money, so that's not too great. The other thing is there is a drill hole here from the 70s that's completely buried. That would have been somewhere around here. In the vicinity of that pile. So we've looked over quite a bit of this area here. There's not too much that we see in the way of exposed bedrock. So they didn't help us out at all with that. Anyway, leave a comment on the video, share, subscribe, like, and let us know how you feel about this, because it doesn't make us happy.